Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review video to blog. So as the name suggests, what this tool does is convert YouTube videos into blog articles. But the articles that you get, they are not going to be any generic articles. They are going to be SEO optimized so that you can get good rank on Google. And there are also some more features such as you can add your own custom instruction when you let the AI write the blog, and then you can also add your own keywords. There is also a very good content analyzer that is going to show you the readability of the content. You can also see if the content is detected by the AI content detectors, and there are also so many other features such as integrations with top blogging platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and video to blog is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at AppSumo you are getting the lifetime deal of video to blog at only $49. And as you can see, there are 26 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. So now let me show you all the plans and features. So these are all the features. You have multiple blog length options, which means if you need short blogs, you can also choose that. If you need longer ones, you also have the option to choose that, and you can completely edit your blog. You can export these blogs. You can automatically or manually add screenshots to the blogs. You can also generate images using AI and then use them on your blog. You can make various AI edits. There is also AI content detector, content analyzer, multiple export sharing options, multi-language support. So video to blog is not only limited to English language. If you have YouTube videos that are not in English, it could be Spanish, German, or any other language, you can also convert them flawlessly into blogs. And then you can also generate SEO metadata, generate emails, social media promotion post. There are multiple blog formats. You can customize the tone, point of view, primary key phrase, and obviously provide additional instructions. There is also advanced image editing, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So the tier 1 is going to cost $49. Here you get 10 blog posts per month, which means if you convert one YouTube video into a blog, one of these credits is going to be spent. So no matter how long the video is, if you use one YouTube video in order to get one article, no matter how long the video is, you're always going to spend only one credit. And then there is also tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, and the highest tier is this tier 5 that is going to let you create 200 blog posts from YouTube videos per month. So if you want to buy the lifetime deal of video to blog from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how this tool is going to work, first let me take a look at the roadmap. Okay, so here is the roadmap and we have some planned features as you can see. So these are all the planned features, and then you can also see there are 2 in progress features, and out of these 2 there is a really amazing feature that is upcoming. It is going to be automation capabilities, and you can also see all the completed features or the features that are already deployed. So now let me show you how video to blog is going to work. So once you log into video to blog, you are going to get a very simple interface, a very user-friendly interface. So in order to create your blog from YouTube videos, all you have to do is just click on this create blog. But before I do that, let me first show you some integration options on this platform. So for that, I will go to the settings, and as you can see, these are all the platforms, all the blogging platforms that you can integrate with. So there is WordPress, Medium, Blogger. So all you have to do is just connect your account with WordPress or Medium or something else, and once you do that, you can directly post your blogs on those platforms. So now let me go back to the dashboard and click on this create blog, and now I have to provide my YouTube link, YouTube video link on here, and I think I can also upload a file, and I'm not sure what kind of file I can upload. It is probably video files. Turn your videos into blogs by uploading, but what I want to show you is this YouTube feature. So let me open a YouTube video and then paste the link on here. So for example, this is the video. This is the particular video that I want to create a blog on. So all I have to do is just right click on this video and then copy this video URL. And then I'll just paste my video link on here. And once I paste the link of the video, there are going to be multiple options that are going to be available. So first of all, I can provide some custom instructions in terms of creating the blog. So for custom instructions, you can probably mention the conversational tone, or you can ask it to include a table, or you can also ask it to exclude certain words. So for example, if I do not want the AI to use certain words, I can mention that, or just like this, I can mention any custom instruction, any custom command that I have on this box. And then if you scroll down, there are some more features. So if you want to add visuals like screenshots, images, you can also enable this. And once you enable that, you can also select how the feature image or video is going to appear. It could be none, or you can embed video, or select stock image or the video thumbnail. So for example, I'm just going to select none, and then I want the blog article to have screenshots. I can also add some stock images. Okay, I can only choose one. So for example, I want it to have some screenshots. So that is what I'm going to choose. And the best part is, for images, I can also choose the number, how many images, screenshots, stock images, what I want. So in order to specify that, I have to provide the custom instruction on here. So for example, if I take a line break, and then I can ask it to use certain images, certain number of images. And then I can also add links. So I can add links from the description, from the YouTube video description. I can also add custom link. So all I have to do is just provide the URL and the description. So this way I can also add custom links. I can also add site map if I want. So I'm just going to disable this one, and I can also add CTA, which is the call to action. And for CTA, there are detailed options. As you can see, I can provide the title of the CTA, the description, the button text. I can also add image. I can upload image, provide the link of the button. So once someone clicks on this click me link or the button, where that is going to be redirected. So I have to provide the CTA link on here. I can also customize the position, select the background color, text color, button color, and on the right side I can see the preview of the call to action button that I am adding. So I'm also going to disable the CTA, and then there are also some more options. So I can select the length. It could be short, medium, or long, a very long article. I can select the language. So it is set to auto detected. I can also set the tone, the writing style, the point of view, and some primary key phrases. So this is one of the best features in terms of SEO. If you have some primary keywords, the keywords that you want to rank onto, so you can add those keywords, provide the keywords on here. And then I can also enable the blog to have table of content, or it to have various FAQs, relevant FAQs. And then there are also some blog structure settings. I can select the blog format. So these are all the different formats that you can select. You can also add your own format if you want. And if I want the chapters to be as outline, I can also enable this one. I can use emojis on the blog. I can add various speaker labels, and I can also select the time range. So the video that I selected, it is 6 minutes and 38 seconds long. So for example, I do not want the whole video to be used as the blog. I just want the blog to be written within 2 minutes of video. So I just have to select that on here, but I'm just going to select the whole video. Now I'm just going to go back to the top, and now let me create the blog. Okay, so the blog has been written completely, and if you remember, I asked the AI to add some visuals or screenshots to be precise. So as you can see, I can read the whole blog, as well as there are some screenshots that are added to the relevant topics. So this is the full blog that I have got. And if you remember, I chose the blog length to be within 70-100 words, and that is why it is quite short. But once you have got your blog, the best part is there are so many different types of editing options. So first of all, we are in this text editor, and it is fully powered by all the text editing, formatting, and AI tools. For example, if I select this sentence or some words, as you can see on top, you can see all of the text formatting options. You can also add AI image, screenshot, upload image, stock image, select the video thumbnail. So these are all the options. And then if you click on this particular button, you can also insert or edit media with the source, width, height. You can embed, and there are also some advanced options. And then on the left side, as you can see, there are some AI tools that you can make use of. So for the AI tools, you can simplify any sentence, you can fix the spelling or grammar, make it shorter, longer, change the tone, get the TLDR or get the summary. You can do that. You can emojify something, which means you can can add emoji to certain sentences, words. You can also translate it to some other language, and you can also complete the sentence. If there is any incomplete sentence or words, you can also use this tool in order to complete that sentence. So those are all the options that you get once you select a sentence or word. But if you just type / on your keyboard, there are also some other options that you can get. So for example, you can open the AI writer. All you have to do is just provide a prompt in order to generate text. And then there is also this AI image option. So you can describe anything and get the AI to generate the image for you. So let me try this one. So I want the AI to generate a flying car, and you can also choose this style. I'm going to keep it auto. Click on generate image. So as you can see, we have got a very good picture, and just by looking at the picture, I can say it is very high quality. So you can now also insert this particular picture to your blog. And other than that, there are also some other options, such as you can upload image, take screenshot, upload stock image, upload video, get the video thumbnail. You can also add various headings, bulleted list, numbered list, table, horizontal rule. You can add table of content, add FAQs. So these are basically all the text editing options or text formatting options that you get on this editor. And now about the content analyzer. In order to get that, just click on here, and now here is your content analyzer. So now you can see the score of the blog. It is probably based on SEO. You can also get the readability, and there is also AI content detector, which is going to say if your article is going to be detected by AI content detectors. And you can also get some metrics about your content structure. So the amount of words that are used, long paragraph, long sections, long sentences, links, images. And you can also see the key phrases or the keywords, the main keywords, how many times they are used. And if there is any density, keyword density, frequency in the title, frequency in the intro. So since I didn't add any key phrases or keywords, I cannot see all these metrics. But if you add them, you can see this. And other than this, you can also see the metadata. So as you can see, the meta title has been automatically generated by the AI. But if you do not like this one, you can obviously regenerate. And the meta description has also been generated by the AI. You can also see the slug as well as some relevant tags. And then there is also this promotion section. So here you can see different types of promotional messages or posts according to various social platforms. So if you want to share this blog on Instagram, you can use this particular caption as well as the link. And the same goes for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So these are all the different social platforms or even email where you can share your blog to. And then if you want, you can even get the transcript of the YouTube video. So for writing this blog, I have used the YouTube video as you have seen earlier. So if you want to get the transcript of the video, just click on this one. And as you can see, here is our full transcript of the video. And once you are satisfied with your blog, you can export it. For that, you have multiple options. So first of all, you can share this link. So once someone enters the link, he is going to be redirected to this particular blog on video to blog platform. You can also copy it as HTML, text, as Word or docx, as PDF. And obviously, if you have connected your WordPress, Medium, Blogger, Ghost, these accounts, you can also export them directly to those platforms. And obviously, you can share this blog into various social media platforms. So overall, I think video to blog is an excellent platform that lets you convert YouTube videos into SEO blog articles. And the blog is not going to be generic. It is going to be SEO focused, SEO optimized blog. And you can also make various edits. You can add images, add screenshots, add videos. You can also see the content analyzer in order to properly optimize your content for SEO. You can get the metadata. You can get the content structures and all the other relevant metrics that you need in order to polish your SEO articles. So if you want to buy video to blog on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. There is also tier 4 as well as tier 5.
So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.